Hi everyone, my name is Stoof. I hope your holiday season is off to a great start so far. I'm excited to announce that my 2021 golf course landscape painting calendars are now available to purchase. And I have one right here for us to look at. So for those of you that pre-ordered the calendars, thank you guys. Those are now being prepared for shipment and you can expect those by the end of the week. But for those of you that have not ordered a calendar yet, I do expect them to sell out very quickly, so you probably want to jump on that as soon as you can. But for now, let's take a look at what's inside these 2021 golf course landscape painting calendars. Each month of the 2021 calendar features a unique golf course landscape painting that I created myself in the year 2020 using acrylic or oil paint on canvas. I then professionally scanned the image and had it uploaded for printing in my calendar. This calendar makes a great gift for any golfing fan in your life, whether it's a family member, a friend, a coworker, or if you just want to treat yourself. My 2021 calendars are $25 plus 7% sales tax, which brings the total to $26.75, and shipping is free. To place an order for a calendar, you can send me an email at commissions@thepaintingstoof.com. Let me know how many calendars you'd like and the shipping address for receiving your calendars. Once I receive your email request for an order, I will send you an invoice via email where you can pay using a credit card or a PayPal account. Once the payment's received, I will prepare your calendar for shipment and I'll send you the tracking information when your order is shipped. Another way to order a calendar is to simply leave a comment or send me a direct message letting me know you're interested in purchasing a 2021 golf landscape painting calendar, and then I'll just reply to your message and collect the necessary information from you to send you an invoice and to get your shipping address. As I mentioned before, these calendars are going to sell out very quickly, so if you're interested in purchasing one, go ahead and send me your order request today and enjoy your painting calendars. Bye-bye!